So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government exam revision series, we have here these two questions to answer on the topic Imperialist penetration. So guys, this video will be on the comparison of British and French colonial administration. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, colonization of Africa was mainly motivated by A, cultural factors, B, security considerations, C, economic reasons, D, religious reasons. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's economic reasons. And that is for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So over here is question number 2. It says, which of the following made the earliest contacts with the Nigerian society? We have A, the Germans, B, the French, C, the British, D, the Portuguese. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's the Portuguese. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.